Wala nang tongkat na, dire-diretso to.
Oh yeah. First,
Oh yeah, ibang kita word. Oh yeah.
you will get a paper and then you will fold like this. And yeah.
And then?
And then you will fold again like that.
And then?
And you will fold again like this. It's like you're making an airplane, you know?
Yes,
Yeah.
I know that.
Yeah. Then
Then?
you do it like this. And like that.
Then? Like that again?
Yeah, and like this way.
Alam mo sa Itbulaga, yung stewardess, parang ganun ka. Is that clean?
Of course, I washed it. Oh no.
Apir yan, apir. Hindi nakita.
And then you will fold like this. Yeah. Another one.
Nakaharang ang price.
Kainin ko na.
Then like this.
Then?
Then like that.
Like this at like that lang ah.
Ito nakatulong ako sa teacher ko eh.
Ah, like this and like that.
And then like this again.
And like that again.
And like that again. And then you will put it inside like
Wait,
this.
close up.
You will put it here and here
Mag-vlog mo mamaya.
and
Then?
like this, like that.
So many like this and like that. Ano ba yun?
And then you will put it again inside. So hard, oh my god. Then your heart is done. It's okay na.
Yay! Ang dami na notes. Pakita mo na yung height mo.
Wait, from the tissue?
Tissue?
From recycle
Sabi materials.
from the environment.
Ay, di, ipadala natin sa McDo, baka gawing commercial. Diba? O, yan. Ayan, McDo, ang dami na namin nakain.
Tama,
Wait,
ayan,
please na, gawin mo commercial to, ha?
Karen po.
Oo, Karen po. Gawin nyo commercial to, ha? Maganda, kikita kayo rito kay, kay Chloe. Si Chloe. Siyempre, ako yung manager niya. At ito yung... Kasi, Chloe, mag-sign up ka na.
Bye. Bye na mo, bye.
Wait, I just want to thank to my sponsor.
Sponsors.
Ano yung sponsor mo?
Sponsors, Vicky Bello for my hair and makeup.
May makeup na si Biggie Bello? Hindi ko alam na nagme-makeup yun. Sikat na naman si Chloe mamaya.
Ayaw na.
Ayan.
It's okay na.
It's okay na. It's okay na.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Next sa Friday, lilipat kami ng lugar. Saan tayo sa Friday?
Where are we going?
Where are we going? Sa
Sir Erwin's house.
Yes, doon lang tayo
Where are we going?
Nakakain.
Sir Erwin's
Oh,
house.
sige, hindi. Bili na lang tayo rito.
Let's go kakainin. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye!
Bye.